might be having some beautiful trading activities this weekend, okay, because the market is getting ready for the weekend and I'm loving what I am seeing right now. So, right here, we'll be checking out some assets right here together, and of course, we will see what we can achieve from all these assets. We will be using the same trading strategy which we have been using all these while. So, if you are yet to get it well, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, like I said, we have some amazing assets which are getting ready for the weekend. The first one is GainX 999. We are on 15-minute time frame. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from this support zone. Like you guys have known, we make use of the trend trading strategy and we only follow the signal that supports the trend. If it is an uptrend, then it must be coming from the support zone. Then definitely the only signal you should look out for is a buy signal. If it is on downtrend, then it must be coming from the resistance zone. Then definitely the only signal you should be looking out for should be a sell signal. It is as simple as that. So we got a buy signal at this spot from this support zone, and you can see it buying till it got to this resistance zone. Right here is also a resistance zone. This is a kind of confirmation for this kind of trade. This is giving us double tops already, and when you get double tops, then you are most likely to have a downtrend after that. Okay, that is if there is no breakout above it. So that is why I have this here. So I'm waiting to see if it will be a breakout. If there is no breakout, then this should go into a downtrend. So I'm waiting for the downtrend signal and the sell signal, then we can go into it. So I want to believe that that should be activated before it gets to this region. If it is activated earlier than that, we can adjust the entry points at towards this region, okay, and of course have our stop loss at the resistance zone, then we can sell right from there. And here are some highlighted TP: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can achieve that. Okay, the first three is very easy to achieve, but the last two, if it breaks out from the third one, that is when we can say we can achieve the last two. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let's look at other assets that are looking promising. Okay, the next one is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 had been on uptrend for a while, but it got to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's going back on downtrend right now. This should be the resistance zone, and that should serve as the stop loss. So this should be an entry point for us. Then we can have some highlighted TPs for ourselves. Okay, so TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5. This is going to trade our spikes, okay, because it is Paynex 1200. So whenever it is selling, that is when it is trading its own spikes. Okay, so we can look out for this. Hopefully we want to believe that this should sell, and of course should get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's look at Paynex 999. Paynex 999 will be the last asset we'll be checking out for today. Okay, this had also been on uptrend for a while, and of course got to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, so it has started a downtrend already, and it is already selling. So we expect it to get to this first, and thereafter it should get to this particular region. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity also. So guys, let me quickly explain these again. Okay, what we have been doing here is to use a simple trading strategy, and this particular strategy has actually helped us to milk the market, has been helping us to milk the market day in, day out. Okay, so what we just do is we only need to focus on the trend. Okay, so there are four things you should be able to identify whenever you want to trade. Once you open your trade, you should be able to identify the current trend of the assets. And of course, once you have been able to identify the current trend of the asset, the second thing is you should check out if you can still trade with the trend. If you cannot, then look out for when they will be switching or from that trend to a new trend. And those switching area usually happen at the major resistance and support zone. So you should be able to identify your resistance and support zone, which is going to be the third thing for you to look out for. Okay, then the last thing is you should be able to set up your trades, because once you are able to identify when the trend is switching from one trend to another, for instance, right here it switched from a downtrend to an uptrend, then you should be able to set up your trades. If you should check out here, it was an uptrend but it switched at this point, then you set up your trade entry point, stop loss, and some highlighted TP. And also at this point it switched. Okay, we are waiting for it to switch into a downtrend fully at this point. Once it switched and you've gotten a sell signal, you set up your trade entry point, stop loss, and some highlighted TPs for yourself. Okay, so that is how it works, and that is how you can get the best out of it. Once you have your setup in this form, then you should have your fingers crossed and just relax and see what will happen at the end of the day. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So guys, I will be stopping right here. All I will advise you to do is just for you to understand this trading strategy very well, go back to your platform, I mean to your account, and practice it very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. I mean, you should subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you send direct message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.